Can-Am Mike's house. And can anybody tell me what this frame goes to? Yes, it's a 500 Quadzilla. This is Mike's and Dave's winter project. Might go into spring and summer. But gonna have the motor all rebuilt, and they got parts laying all over the place. Fixing stuff up. So get a little video now, maybe through some of the steps, and see what the finished product looks like. But right here, this is and they did a lot of work to get to this point. And we'll just try to keep Homer from drooling all over it once it is done.
Oh man, I don't know. As soon as we get the rolling chassis done, real hard to find stuff like this. Yeah, it's a little dented, but 30 years old, you know. So.
Work in progress.
Yeah, it is. I mean, to find one of these right here.
Is that yours?
Alrighty, here we are. We're down at Mike's, Can-Am Mike's. We have brought Christie's rear diff down, and well, we're gonna guess it's probably pretty beat to death the way she drives. But anyways, we come down to get a little video of Mike's project. We were down a couple weeks ago. It's just a frame. He's got the shocks rebuilt. Got the frame all painted. All new bearings and seals, the whole 9 yards. 500 quad racer. It's gonna be sweet. Beautiful. This thing will be mint when he's done. But it's looking good.
Where's some music coming from?
Nice. So we'll come back in a couple weeks, see how far he's made it.
Where's the motor?
That's not the one he's rebuilding though.
What's that?
No, I don't think so. That's not the motor you're rebuilding, right? The one you're rebuilding's in your it's in his motor shop where he rebuilds the motors.
Yeah.
But
Oh,
so it's coming along nice. Homer can't wait to wreck this thing. I can just see it right now.
He won't wreck it. He's a trained professional. You have to ride it.
And then there's Christie's deaf again.
I've got to wreck mine more.
And there is the LT500 motor that's getting rebuilt.
I can tell you once I
Looks
start.
better than the one out there in the garage. So
Right there.
it'll be all ready to rock and roll for my 400EX to eat this thing right up. What's gonna happen?
The video camera.
Alright, here we are. We come down to Mike's little garage here for an update on the 500 Quadzilla. And he now has the motor in it. Look at that. How sweet. Pretty is that? The seats, still missing a cushion and a cover.
I didn't think Quadzilla was built. It wasn't built.
But the Quadzilla is as close to stock as possible. Obviously a few things you can't get anymore. Brake lines are not holding up the way they should, so gonna be aftermarket brake lines, right?
Yep.
Radiator, stock, exhaust, motor. That is sweet. And I guess I have to start it, so I'm a little nervous.
You should be. Very nervous.
Oh boy. Well, it's been a long project, but it's coming along well. Look at that baby. Mint. Beautiful. There's the back plastics right there. Don't have them on yet.
You done? You done?
Mike, what year is it?
1987.
87. Quadzilla. Sweet. That's nice. There's the nose piece. Had
Actually, I bought that in July and didn't start driving.
they are factory plastics, right from Suzuki.
That's my forehead off on March 2nd.
That's sweet.
March 2nd.
All right, here's the big test right here.
It's been cold for a while.
See if it'll start.
I don't know, it's been like
Rich.
September.
Hold on. Yeah, videotaping.
We'll see. It says record. Is that recording?
If it says record, yeah.
What do you think, Rich?
This is sweet. This is sweet. I think it may be Banshee time or something.
Bring back memories?
No, because I never actually. I did ride one of these a few times.
I noticed that.
But I thought maybe the Banshee was the Quadzilla killer.
It is the Quadzilla killer. We'll see.
Oh, that'd get a lot of people fired up.
That's why we're making videos.
Especially Homer. He wouldn't like that.
No,
he
he
said
wouldn't.
He ate them Banshees right up with his 500, but we'll see.
We'll see about that.
This is sweet. Very nice.